Let's go. That was awesome. All right, boys, welcome back. It is about 11:30 and we're getting ready to head out. But before that, we're gonna send a few arrows downrange. We're gonna make sure everything's still dialed in, and we're gonna get set up for this evening hunt. We're going in, hoping not to bump anything. We're gonna drag a little bit of Tink 69 on the way in. We're setting up probably about 100 yards from this buck's bedding area. So if we can get in there quietly, I think we're gonna have a good night. They're definitely in there chasing, so stay tuned. Guys, look at this. It is pouring up in here. Let's go. We got in here perfect. We didn't blow anything out. The wind is perfect. It's blowing right in my face, over my back, and down this ridge. The deer like to bed down here on this ridge side and feed up on these oak flats. So I'm hoping that this buck is bedded right over here and he works this way. Doe come through with no bucks following. It was cool to see. So plan's working, we're just waiting for a buck. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's it. That was freaking perfect. That worked out perfect. That was awesome. About 2 minutes ago, I just did a rattling sequence. About a half hour ago, I thought I heard something over there. Stayed quiet. And then ultimately, I just rattled. And about 2 minutes later, he came charging in from right where I thought he was gonna. Let's go. That was awesome. A little bit of a far shot, but shot looked good. Shot sounded good. He was acting hurt. He's still right over here right now. We're gonna stay quiet. We're gonna give him some time. He took off, but then he slowed down. Now he's just walking around over here. He came up perfect right up that hillside. I think he was bedded right on the other side. We got in here quiet and that worked out perfect. Covered up in deer all day. We had that Forky working earlier. There's 3 doe. They came in alone. And then we just had this guy come in. Looks like a nice deer. He's not a monster, but he's still a good deer. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, middle of the day, and he's just out walking around feeding. That was perfect. That was perfect. We're gonna give him some time. We're gonna pack up, and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna grab the sled, and we're gonna head back. Stay tuned. All right, found the blood trail. Your favorite color of fall. Let's go. Alright boys, we got it done. This self-filming stuff ain't easy. It's always one thing or another. But what's most important is we got this deer. We made a good shot. We tracked him. Ran downhill, which is going to make our drag easier for us. Thankful for this guy. Thanks for watching.